Hi, hello. So for today's video, Lisa akan create this all matte makeup look with a smoky wing liner and the brown nude lips, very 90s vibe. I got inspired by tengok kan currently macam Kim K kan suka macam look macam gini, tapi dia tak adalah buat like very intense liner macam ni. So if you want to know how to do this makeup look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me some thumbs up, ring the bell, drop a comment down below so I know that you like this kind of video, and yeah, just keep on watching. Lisa dah pakai Lisa punya all my skincare routine punya products. Now I dah start prepping, so Lisa akan pakai this Too Faced. Akan pakai this one just on the areas yang I ada problems, the open pores area, because this one is Too Faced Poreless Skin Smoothing Face Primer. So I'm going to use it at the center of my face and concentrate it at the cheeks here, around the nose, where I have open pores, obviously. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetic Confidence in an Eye Cream. I already used my moisturizer and all, so I'm going to use just my under eye cream. So later on kita punya all the concealers, everything tak crack yang macam like dengan ganas ni. Okay. So move on to foundation. So Lisa nak pakai foundation NARS. This one is Sheer Glow in Code Punjab. This is my, kalau macam I rasa one of the best foundation yang I've tried. And then I also love this one, Magic Foundation from Tilbury. So I akan mixkan this color number 7, medium, little tiny bit because I want that golden glow, golden macam goldish sikit, warm, cool sikit punya effect. So one pump of the Sheer Glow and one dot of the Tilbury. So just gonna mix it, back of my hand, warm it up. So I'm going to use my flat top foundation brush. This one is from Black Canvas Cosmetics. So you guys boleh cari anything similar to this brush. Not necessarily Black Canvas Cosmetics. I think Sigma have one. I think Syedewa have one. Because Black Canvas Cosmetics tak boleh jumpa dekat Malaysia. You kena order online. You see dia punya effect, the sheer glue ni I love. I've tried the NARS Radiant Longwear, tapi I rasa it's too thick, dia macam kering sikit. Sebab itulah dia punya instruction is to just use one palm. Sebab dia punya coverage like for me is full, macam full lah juga kan. Tapi if you nak pakai tu, you really need to prep your skin betul-betul. You tak boleh pakai banyak sangat, otherwise dia akan jadi kiki. So I prefer Sheer Glow. Sheer Glow is one of the easiest foundation to work with for my experience lah. Okay, enough. See, I still have balances, so I like to keep some extra sikit dekat punya tangan so that in any case of an emergency, kita ada backup foundation. So for concealer today, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty shade 190. Use this Zoeva Face Shape 110 brush. With the same brush, then I always like to take my foundation brush and then balik edges too, so that we don't have like that macam obvious separation between your highlight and foundation. For contouring, I'm going to use my Kat Von D cream palette. I'm going to mix the color medium dengan color light sikit. This one is called Woodland and Chestnut. To take my Real Techniques contour brush, Okay, kita buat nose contouring pun pakai warna yang sama. So I'm going to use colour Woodland. It's a medium colour. I'm going to contour a bit here and here to give our face like macam oval shape. Just use the same colour. So I'm going to contour kat sini so that you can see center of my face macam lagi oval. Gitu. Selimar-selimar. We want to look illusion that we have exercised. We have lost few kilos. But you know what, kita macam hijabis kan. Kita boleh tutup macam ni semua ni. Kita boleh tutup. Kita just tutup je dengan kita punya konsep adalah matte. So I'm going to use my Chanel loose powder. Kita blend setelah kita merapu-rapu. Setelah itu, so you just blend and your under eye and do set everything. So banyak tu, then I push it in, then I set under eye. Bahagian yang akan berbelok dan usually akan, you know, bahagian-bahagian yang you selalu ada keluar minyak dulu, yang akan prep dulu kan. Just use tiny bit je powder, tapi apa pakai banyak. You see, I dab, okay, I tak tarik-tarik. But I don't want my foundation semua berjalan-jalan berhari raya. Kita nak prime kita punya eyelid dulu, so kita akan pakai this one, Urban Decay in Code Eden. Okay, dia sangat-sangat cepat kering, dia sangat-sangat cepat set, so korang kena letak dan laju-laju blend dia. Ulang-ulang sikit. So apa primer ni akan buat? Dia akan naikkan lagi you punya warna apa tu? Warna eyeshadow tu. Kalau yang jenis apa eyelid senang minyak and senang crease, dia akan bantu untuk bagi tak crease sangat. So I'm going to use to set the primer tu pakai loose powder. Just ambil je loose powder tadi tu, Chanel tu, or whatever powder yang ada. Just set macam tu, just like that. Okay, now we're going to move to eyes. So kita nak buat one color eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my trusted this one, Cocoa Bear from Makeupgeek. Okay, now kita nak ambil brush. So I'm going to use 227 Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer brush. And always want to tap the excess. And what I like to do, I suka remove lagi dekat at the back of my hands ni. Lepas tu, since kita nak guna satu warna, so you boleh just start dekat you punya eyelid and you blend upwards. Because the first area you letak warna tu, dia akan jadi dia tempat yang paling kuat kali dia, paling pigmented kan. So balance tu I akan tarik sikit sebab we're going to do a wing liner, wing sikit kan. So you just follow this, okay, but at the end you tarik sikit. Balance tau, balances dia. So that's sangat senang. So kita nak move on to eyeliner. I akan ambil this one, Urban Decay version 24/7 Waterline eye pencil in code. Oh, this one Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline eye pencil in code Legend juga. Kita tak perlu buat macam line yang macam sangat kemas. It's okay kalau macam smudge sebab kita akan smudgekan dan kita akan betulkan pakai black eyeshadow, okay? So a darker eyeshadow. So tunjuk. So you buat je satu garis macam tu. And then sampai dekat hujung ni, you want to look straight into the mirror macam tu. Just sambungkan yang luar and then macam tu. buat satu, ataupun the easiest way, you buat satu point, then you tarik your eyeliner, then you sambungkan gitu. So you get that nice, you dapat the shape yang macam mana you nak punya eyeliner. So then you just intensify dia and just letak, just macam if you nak dia lagi panjang, you just tarik. Okay, macam tu. It's okay, dia tak kemas sangat. So I akan ambil this brush, it's a flat top brush, dan I akan ambil colour Americano for Makeupgeek untuk setkan the eyeshadow. You boleh juga guna black, but I prefer guna dark deep brown. Nak kemaskan. Sebab some people rasa macam black tu terlalu macam this is cuma okay kalau black. Macam tu. It's up to you. Kalau you suka black, you use black. Okay, untuk kemaskan. Sebab colour ni pun dah macam very deep brown, yang macam very deep brown lah. Okay. Lepas tu kita nak lalukan dekat waterline pula. Okay, untuk sebelah bawah, just ambil the same eyeliner, kanakan you punya waterline kat dalam mata tu sampai ke ujung tau. Okay, it doesn't have to be macam very precise ke apa, so kita akan smudge kan dengan Cocoa Bear. So just ambil pencil brush and smudge it. Then kita ambil brush untuk kita okay, dia make sure macam kat sini macam ada nampak putih sikit kan. I don't want that, I want it to be black. So I akan warnakan. So basically kita dah dapat the eye shape, and I will do the other eye. So lepas tu kita nak curlkan kita punya eyelashes, curlkan eyelashes, and then saya akan pakai mascara. So I'm using the Falsies Push Up Drama. So compare this one dengan Human Make, I lebih suka Human Make, tapi this is what I have right now. It's good also. Lama is kat orang suka ni. But for me personally, I rasa Heroin Make tu dia whole curl tu lagi lama because I have like stubborn straight eyelash. So for those yang ada stubborn straight eyelash, you boleh try Heroin Make because both of it adalah dia dua-dua waterproof. So Lisa dah pakai eyelasher, dah kemaskan sikit the wing. Sebenarnya kita nak buat kening. So kening Lisa nak macam like mata selain dah heavy kan. So kening kita nak macam tone down sikit. So Lisa akan pakai this one, Tarte brown mousse in colour 2. And remove the excess ke belakang. Just sikat ke atas. And I'm going to fill in my natural, ikut my natural brow shape, okay? Nak set, pakai eyebrow gel. So I'm using this Benefit Ready Set Brow. This one is a clear brow gel. So just sikat macam kat depan ni, macam tak banyak sangat bulu ni. I akan bulu naik atas macam tu. Betul lah kenapa bulu depan ni macam ini sikit. Okay, dah kita nak bagi ada brown sikit. Terus ambil face powder ni. This one is a pressed powder from Bobbi brown, but darker colour. It's in colour basic brown. So I'm just going to okay, for blusher, I'm going to use this one, MAC Peaches. Eyeshadow, sikit. For lips, Misa akan line dulu pakai Urban Decay 1993 punya lipstick. So kita nak buat effect like macam munggil-munggil gitu. So kita line. Lepas tu line kat sini, ikut bentuk bibir, tapi sampai ke atas ni macam lebihkan dia sikit. So, mesti So, I just follow my natural line. So, I tutup mulut. Supaya kalau bila I buat macam ni, dia nampak bingit kan. So, this one bila you buat macam ni, you akan nampak the shape yang you nak buat tu. The, macam mana you nak shape kau punya bibir. So, sampai ke atas ni, kita buat garisan luar daripada kita punya bibir. Okay sangat dah. So, kita akan ambil, so Lisa ambil this one Urban Decay 1993 punya Vice lipstick, the same colour as the eyeliner and the lip liner. And Lisa akan mixkan this one Syedewa in coat Paris. So Syedewa in coat Paris ni kita just letak dekat tengah-tengah. Gitu. See how it makes a lot of difference. This is the final look. It's all matte, brown lips, like overlined lips, dengan smoke wing liner. So if you like this makeup look, don't forget to subscribe and give me some thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and I hope you enjoy it. And thank you for watching. Bye!